Most electrical contractors don't lose money because of bad workmanship. They lose money because jobs are mismanaged, schedules get messy, and invoices are delayed. Here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, electrical contracting is no longer just about tools and talent. It's about how well your software keeps your entire operation under control. In this video, you'll learn the best software for electrical contractors in 2026, what each one actually does well, and which one fits your business best. Let's start with one of the most popular field service tools, Jobber. Jobber is designed for small to mid-sized electrical businesses that need simple scheduling, dispatching, and invoicing. An electrician like Alex can receive job details on mobile, update progress on site, and send invoices immediately after finishing work. Now here's where it gets interesting. Jobber is extremely easy to use, which makes it perfect for teams that want fast onboarding. But it may feel limited if your electrical business handles large commercial projects or complex workflows. Next is Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro focuses on automation and customer communication. An electrician like Jake can automate appointment reminders, collect payments on site, and keep customers updated without constant manual follow-ups. But here's the problem. As your company grows, you may find that customization options are not deep enough for advanced operational needs. Third is Service@Eaton. Service@Eaton is built for large electrical and home service companies. It handles scheduling, dispatching, call booking, reporting, marketing, and sales tracking in one powerful system. This is where Service@Eaton becomes a heavy hitter. It is designed for scaling operations across multiple teams and locations. But it is also expensive and can feel overwhelming for smaller contractors. Now let's talk about Workis. Workis is great for mobile electrical teams that need fast communication and job management. A technician like John can receive dispatch updates, track jobs, and manage calls directly from his phone. It is lightweight, fast, and very practical for small service businesses. However, it does not provide deep enterprise-level features. Finally, we have Service Fusion. Service Fusion offers an all-in-one solution with scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, GPS tracking, and customer management designed for field service companies. Now here is the key insight most electrical contractors miss. The best software is not the one with the most features. It is the one your team actually uses every single day without confusion or delays. So let's simplify it. If you want something easy and fast to implement, Jobber is a strong choice. If you want automation and strong customer communication, Housecall Pro works well. If you are scaling a large electrical company, Service@Eaton is the most powerful option. If you want mobile-first simplicity, Workis is efficient. And if you want a balanced all-in-one system, Service Fusion is a solid choice. The biggest mistake electrical contractors make is choosing software based on popularity instead of real field workflow needs. That leads to wasted money and unused systems. So the takeaway is simple. The best electrical contractor software is the one that matches your team size, job complexity, and daily workflow in the field. If this helped you understand your options clearly, like, comment, and subscribe for more honest software breakdowns and comparisons like this.